Hi, Mrs. Random.
Hi, Poppy.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm just doing some column multiplication. After the success of our last video, and since maybe some of your parents at home haven't been at primary school for about 50 to 100 years, shall we come and record this and give them a bit of idea of what we're doing? Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to be looking at these column multiplication questions, and some of them will involve carrying, okay? So we set it up like this. 24 multiplied by 6. Brilliant. Now, 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, so we're just going to put our little 2 in here and our 4 there. So we're carrying the 2 over to the next one. Then 2 times 6 is 12, but we need to remember to add the 2. So 12 add 2 is 14, and we'll cross out the 2 so we know we're done. And the answer to this question is 144. Now, this one is a 2-digit by 1-digit sum. So we're now going to move on to a 3-digit by 1-digit sum. So we've got 326 multiplied by 5. Ooh, 5's nice and easy. I think all of the parents at home can do this one. So we've got 6 times 5, which is 30. So if you remember, we carry our little 3 over. 0 in this column. Then we've got 2 times 5, which is 10, but we need to remember to add our 3 that we've carried over, so that's 13. So a small 1 goes here. I'm going to cross that one out because we've used that now. And then finally, we have 3 times 5, which is 15, but we need to remember to add our 1. So the answer to this question is 1,630. Now, not all sums involve carrying, as we're going to see here. Okay, so we've got a 4-digit by 1-digit this time. So we've got 2,342 multiplied by 3. Okay. And 3 times 2 is 6. So there's no carrying here. 4 times 3, that's 12. 3 times 3 is 9, but we need to remember to add our little 1, so that makes it 10. Cross that out. Then finally, we've got 3 times 2, which is 6, add our 1, which is 7. Cross that out. So our answer to this question is 7,026. Now, I thought I'd leave one blank for us here, so I've got a nice big number, 7,827. And what shall we multiply this by, Poppy? 9. Oh, big, good, fantastic, Poppy. Good challenging number there. Brilliant. Multiplied by 9. Now we've got 7 times 9, which is 63. So we're carrying that 6 over. 2 times 9 is 18. 18, but we need to add the 6, is 24. And we'll cross out that 6 now. 8 times 9, which is the next one along, is 72. Plus the 2 is 74. And finally, oh gosh, this is going to be a big number. We've got 7 times 9, which we've already done, which is 63. But we need to add the 7, which is 70. I'm going to cross that out. I'm going to put my little comma there just to show the number, which is 70,443. Brilliant. And now, our parents at home can remember their youth and have a go at some column multiplication. It's brilliant. So, from all of us at 4DS, thank you and bye!